Yeah. So they're heading out to pasture. And of course they're going to eat a few grasses here while they're heading to the pasture. Sometimes I have to move them a little bit, and sometimes they go straight there. So let's see. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. Oh, shoot. Oh, they went right in. I was afraid they were going to go for my orange trees, but they went right in. I had the gate open. Here comes another one straggling along. Come on, let's go. There's one that didn't make it in, and he's eating my banana plants. So let's see if I can get him to follow the others. Hey, buddy. Go ahead, follow your buddies. There you go. Yeah, so, yeah, this is one entrance. This is a little bit wooded area where I have more teak trees and pine trees, but it also has grass. So they'll stay here for the day, and I'm just going to shut the gate here and get them a little later. I'm also going to check here my raspberries. Uh-oh, one more I hear up there. Oh boy, I got to get one more. So let's see. Come on, buddy. Yep, another, oh, two. And the baby. That way. That way. Go ahead. There you go. Go ahead. That way. Go on. That way. There you go. Okay. I believe that's the last two. I'm going to go check before I shut the gate. But I think that was the last two. Yeah, since I don't hear anymore, I think this is the last two. And I'm just going to check a few wild edibles over here. See if there's anything I can harvest without. Okay. I see some raspberries, but I'll harvest them a little later when when my guy cleans the area a little bit. And yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to go and harvest some greens. And thanks for watching.